Leave nothing to chance. The BitTorque screwdriver from Hazet. Developed and made in Germany. Precision down to the smallest detail. Finely adjustable, accurate to the comma. Tested quality with a high accuracy of plus or minus 6%. High alloy tool steel overload clutch prevents the set torque from being exceeded. For maximum safety. Ergonomic grip zones for a perfect hold. T-handle for high torques for force support. The new bit holder from Hazet for quick bit changes with just one hand. Lock symbols indicate the locking status. Ergonomically short 36-degree release distance. Clear readability. 3 rotation direction settings. Right, left, fixed. Robust, durable, reliable. And should something go wrong, it can be recalibrated and repaired by us. Controlled tightening without re-gripping, thanks to free-running mechanism. At home in any industry. Eisen Award winner 2024. The BitTorque screwdriver from Hazet in 4 different torque versions. Your perfect choice when precision matters. Hazet. Das Werkzeug.